Hola, Mexico. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Hola from the United States. Hola from the USA. Hello, my friend. Now, one of my buddies told me if I hear the lady from Mexico hollering out numbers, that they're taxi cab numbers down there, that they use CB radio. So that must be her. There's all the noise toys coming from south of the border. Hola, hola, Mexico! Hola, Mexico! This must be the dedicated Noise Toy channel. Hola, Mexico! Hola, Mexico! Hola, hola, hola from the United States. Hola, Mexico. On 18, that lady hollering out the numbers, another guy told me that's how they do taxi cabs down there, that they're hollering out numbers for the taxi cabs. That's what I've been told. Channel 18. Heck yeah. I tried talking to her.
Is this channel 18?
Yeah, go down to 18. You'll hear hollering numbers on there. They're running a lot of power for sure.
I was just asking. Some days my dial's one off, so I wasn't sure if I was on the main channel now or not. It says 18 on my radio.
Oh no, you're on 19. You're all good.
I appreciate it.
Hey, 10-4.
Once in a while. Capulines avanzando.
Hola, Mexico. Hola, Mexico.
50.
Hola from the United States. Hola, Mexico. Hola, Mexico. Hola, Mexico. You have Nevada, USA here. Hey, my numbers are 302. 302, Nevada. Where are you at in Mexico?